Hi everyone, want to get the most out of your Spectrum guide? We have got you covered. In this video, we will show you how to easily set up your Spectrum guide settings for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's get started. How to set up Spectrum? Step 1. Gather your equipment. Ensure you have all necessary items from your installation kit including Spectrum receiver with power cord, Wi-Fi router with power cord, coax cables, Ethernet cable, HDMI cable, remote and batteries, coax splitter if needed. Step 2. Connect the modem. Locate a working coax outlet in your home. Connect one end of coax cable to the outlet and the other end to the modem. Plug the modem's power cable into an electrical outlet. Wait for the status light on the modem to turn solid blue, indicating a successful connection. Step 3. Connect the power cord. Plug in receiver's power cord and connect it to an electrical outlet. Press the power button and wait for the device to turn on. Step 5. Connect TV and receiver. Connect the HDMI cable to the Spectrum receiver and the TV. Step 6. Update receiver. Point the remote towards TV. Press source button to select HDMI option to select it. The firmware will start to update. Step 6. Update receiver. You can see the receiver starts downloading and installing the new firmware updates. Do not power off your device during upgradation process. Once the process completed, restart your receiver. Step 7. Activate your service. On your smartphone or computer, visit Spectrum's self-install page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in and active your service using your account number, security code, and email address or phone number associated with your account. Spectrum Guide Settings. How to find Spectrum settings. Point your remote towards TV and press menu button to open settings. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to highlight settings and press OK or select. Highlight specific category you wish to adjust, example audio and video, parental controls, and press OK or select. Again, highlight the particular settings you want to modify and press OK or select to view available options. Change the settings as desired and then select Save to apply your changes. Setting 1. Closed caption setting. Press the menu button on your remote control and select Settings and Support and press OK or select. Scroll to the Accessibility option and press OK or select. Highlight Closed captioning and press OK or select. Select On or Off to enable or disable closed captioning, then press OK or select. If prompted, select Save to confirm your changes. Adjusting closed captioning settings. Presentation options. Choose how captions appears on the screen. Pop on. Complete sentence appear at once. Roll up. Text. Scroll up, erasing the top lines as new lines come in. Paint on. Text appear on line at a time from left to right. Text settings. Customize the appearance of closed captions by adjusting color, transparency, size, and font. Background settings. Change the background for your closed caption text for better visibility. Window settings. Select a color and transparency for the window surrounding the closed caption text. Language settings. Change the default language for closed captioning if available. Closed captioning type. Choose between standard captioning, full transcription of audio as text, and easy reader, simplified captions for viewers with limited vocabulary, not available on most programming. Setting 2. Important messages. Check for any important messages from Charter by navigating to the main menu. Setting 3. Favorites. Press the menu button on your remote, select Settings and Support, choose Preferences, select Favorite Channel to create or edit your list of favorite network. Setting 4. Parental Controls. Press the menu button on your remote, go to Settings and Support and select Preferences. Choose Parental Controls to turn parental controls on or off. Select the appropriate option and press OK or select. Set a 4-digit parental control PIN to safeguard viewing. Turn on the rating restriction setting to be prompted for your PIN when accessing programming with specific rating or that is not rated. Turn on the channel restriction setting to require your PIN when attempting to access specific channels. Use content filters to be prompted for your PIN when accessing programming with certain themes or content. Turn on the Hide Adult Content setting to prevent adult content titles from appearing in the guide. A PIN will be required to access these titles if parental controls are enabled. Set time or day restrictions to require a PIN before accessing programming during specific time frames. Setting 5 Purchase Control. Press the menu button on your remote and navigate to Settings and Support. Select Preferences and then choose Purchase Controls. Turn Purchase Control on or off as desired. In the Purchase Control menu, set a 4-digit Purchase Control PIN to restrict unauthorized purchases. Allow purchases without a PIN by entering a maximum amount allowed per purchase before being prompted for your PIN. Setting 6 Demand Content. In the same menu, select the option to turn on-demand lock on or off. This will require a PIN before watching any on-demand content. Set a 4-digit on-demand PIN to restrict access to on-demand programming. Setting 7 Display. In display setting, you can change channel bar position, guide theme, HD auto tune, guide view, guide display, mini guide position, and display duration. Display theme. Choose between light and dark theme to enhance visibility based on lighting conditions. Font size. Adjust the size of the text displayed on the screen for better readability. Display size. Change the overall size of the display elements for easier navigation. Dark theme. Enable a dark mode to reduce eye strain and save battery life on OLED screens. Color scheme. Customize the color palette for backgrounds, text, and buttons. Display settings. Set the aspect ratio for content display, example 16:9 for HD or 4:3 for standard. Screensaver settings. Configure what is displayed during standby mode, example clock, type, or images. Mini guide position. Adjust where the mini guide appears on the screen during viewing. Guide display duration. Set how long notification and informations appear on the screen. Accessibility options. Enable features like high contrast text, color corrections, or remove animations for better accessibility. Setting 8 Audio or video settings. Audio-video settings includes audio output, descriptive video service, SDTV aspect ratio, language, stereo, video format. Audio output settings. Change your audio output to options like Dolby Digital, HDMI, or other formats. Descriptive video services, DVS, enable or disable DVS, which provide a voice-over description of visible elements in programs. HD or SDTV aspect ratio. Adjust the aspect ratio for HD content on a standard definition TV 4:3. Language preferences. Set your default language for secondary audio programming SAP, which may include alternate audio tracks. SD on HDTV aspect ratio. Adjust the aspect ratio for standard definition content on a high definition TV 16:9. Stereo audio settings. Choose between enhanced, compact, or standard modes for audio output. Enhanced, best quality and widest frequency range. Compact, lowest quality with narrowest frequency range. Standard, a middle ground option. Video format settings. Adjust screen resolution to fit your TV. 1080i highest pixel count for HD TVs. 720p great for fast action and sports on HD TVs. 480p better for sports on standard definition TVs. 480i highest SD pixel count for fine detail on SD TVs. Setting 9 Preferences. In preferences settings, you can modify front panel display, brightness, time display, AC outlet, power save, power on channel, channel change, warning, and message notification. Front panel display. Choose what the front panel shows, current time, current channel, or nothing. Front panel display brightness. Adjust the brightness of the information displayed on the front panel of your digital receiver. Time display format. Select between a 12-hour or 24-hour clock format for the time shown on the front panel. AC outlet control. Decide whether to turn off power to the outlet on the back of your cable box when the receiver is powered off. Power save feature. Set your cable box to automatically power off after 4 hours of inactivity to save energy. Power on channel. Specify a channel for your digital receiver to tune into each time it is turned on. Channel change warning. Choose whether to display a warning message before switching from an on-demand program to live TV. Message notification. Enable or disable a message waiting indicator in the settings menu when you have a message from Charter. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.